guys, so today I'm going to show you how to classify sentences in grammar. Students, we've learned about this in class, but it's a good review for you. It's also really good for parents because even though I know that we all speak and write with grammar, we don't always talk about it. So this shows you exactly how we expect students to do it in class. So far we've only learned subject nouns, which is a person, place, thing, or animal that the sentence is about. And we've learned verbs, which is an action word or something you can do. So all of our sentences so far just have two words. They're very simple. I've got some words down, some sentences down here that I'm going to show you how to classify. And up here I have the steps to classifying it. So step one, really simple. You just read the sentence. Step two, you are going to ask and answer a question trying to figure out the subject noun. If it is a person, you'll use the word who to start your question. And if it's a place, thing, or animal, you'll use what to start your question. And then step three is you are going to look for the verb by asking a question to yourself and answering it. So let's start with this first sentence. And so I'm going to start with the first step, which is frogs hop. I just read it. Step two, I'm going to look for the subject noun. I notice the subject noun is frogs. Frogs is not a person, so I'm going to start my question with what. Here's my question. What hopped? And I'm going to answer with frogs, subject noun. And I'm going to put an SN above it for subject noun. Now I'm going to go to step three, and I'm going to try to find the verb. I'm going to ask myself a question and answer it. What is being said about frogs? Frogs hop. Verb. And I put a V above it for verb. So now if I put all three of those steps together, here's how it would go. Frogs hop. What hop? Frogs. Subject noun. What is being said about frogs? Frogs hop. Verb. Let's move on to the second one. The second sentence is girls giggle. Now this time I notice the subject noun is girls, and girls is a person, so I'm going to start with the question word what. First I read it. Girls giggle. Now for that subject noun, I'm going to start with who. Who giggles? Now I'm going to answer it. Girls. Subject noun. And write an SN above it. Now I move on to step three, and I'm going to do the verb. What is being said about girls? Girls giggle. Verb. And I put a V above it. Put all three steps together, and this is what it sounds like. Girls giggle. Who giggles? Girls. Subject noun. What is being said about girls? Girls giggle. Verb. All right, we'll come on down to the next sentence, and it's people walk. Obviously, people are people, so I'm going to use who for my subject noun question. I'm going to put all three steps together this time without pausing in the middle. Here we go. People walk. Who walk? People. Subject noun. What is being said about people? People walk. Verb. All right, and then I'll come to my last one here. And again, I'll do all three steps in order without pausing so you can hear the whole question and answer sequence. Bugs fly. What flies? Bugs. Subject noun. What is being said about bugs? Bugs fly. Verb. So moms and dads, if you could help your students at home classify the sentences on the worksheet that we sent home, that would be great. We would like them to write the letters above it, SN for subject noun and V for verb. We'd also really love it if they could at least try to do this question and answer sequence. Again, we've done it in class a little bit, but it's still pretty new, so they will probably need some help with it. So I hope that is helpful to both students and parents. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for joining me. Bye.